Here's a fast mental math trick called the 5 rule for multiplying by 5. Here's how it works. We split into two simple cases. Case 1. If the number is even, divide by 2, then add a 0 at the end. We'll do an example together. First, 248 times 5. Divide 248 by 2 to get 124. Then add a 0 to the end to make 1,240. So the answer is 1,240. Case 2. If the number is odd, subtract 1 to make it even, divide by 2, and then add a 5 at the end. Let's try an example. First, 247 times 5. Subtract 1 to get 246. Divide 246 by 2 to get 123. Then add a 5 at the end to make 1,235. So the answer is 1,235. Your turn. Try this. 432 times 5 equals what? Thanks for watching Myverse Maths. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick maths tricks and proofs. See you in the next one.